Day 6, Build Better Sentences. Welcome to Day 6 of the 21-Day English Speaking Challenge. By now, you've already practiced thinking in English and speaking without being afraid of mistakes. Today, we're going to work on something extremely important. How to make your English sentences longer and more natural. Many English learners can speak basic sentences like, I like movies. I study English. I live in India. These sentences are correct. But if you want to become a better speaker, you need to learn how to expand your ideas. So today, we're going to turn short sentences into better sentences. Let's start. The basic sentence is, I like reading. That's good. Now add a reason. I like reading because it helps me learn new ideas. Now add more detail. I like reading because it helps me learn new ideas and improve my vocabulary. See what happened? We didn't learn a complicated grammar rule. We simply added information. Here's another example. I watched a movie. That's a basic sentence. Now add when. I watched a movie last night. Add your opinion. I watched a movie last night, and I really enjoyed it. Add a reason. I watched a movie last night, and I really enjoyed it because the story was interesting. That's how you make your English more expressive. Here's a simple formula you can remember. Idea plus detail plus reason plus example. Let's practice. Start with, I like English. Add a detail. I like learning English. Add a reason. I like learning English because it helps me communicate with more people. Add an example. For example, I can understand more books, videos, and conversations in English. Now you have a complete answer instead of just one sentence. This technique is especially useful when someone asks you a question and you don't know what to say. For example, what do you like to do in your free time? Don't simply say, I watch movies. Try, I like watching movies in my free time because they help me relax. I especially enjoy movies with interesting stories, and sometimes I even learn new English expressions from them. That's a much stronger answer. Now let's practice together. I'll give you a short sentence. Your job is to make it longer. Sentence number 1. I like traveling. You could say, I like traveling because I enjoy exploring new places and experiencing different cultures. Sentence number 2. I want to improve my English. You could say, I want to improve my English because I want to communicate more confidently and express my ideas clearly. Sentence number 3. I enjoy music. You could say, I enjoy listening to music because it helps me relax, especially when I've had a stressful day. Notice something important. You don't need difficult words. You need more ideas. Now let's talk about one common problem. Sometimes learners memorize hundreds of vocabulary words but still struggle to speak. Why? Because knowing a word isn't the same as knowing how to use it. For example, you may know the word ambitious. But instead of memorizing the definition, use it in a sentence. I'm an ambitious person, and I want to achieve something meaningful in my career. Learn vocabulary through sentences, not isolated words. Now let's do today's speaking challenge. I'm going to give you 5 topics. For each topic, speak for 30 seconds. Topic 1. My favorite hobby. Explain what it is, why you like it, and when you usually do it. Topic 2. A person who inspires me. Explain who they are and what you admire about them. Topic 3. My biggest goal. Explain what your goal is and why it matters to you. Topic 4. My favorite place. Describe the place and explain why you like it. Topic 5. Something I want to learn. Explain what you want to learn and why. Remember our formula. Idea plus detail plus reason plus example. If you get stuck, use these phrases. The main reason is. For example, another thing is. What I really like about it is. In my experience. That's why. These phrases give you time to think while keeping the conversation going. Now here's your day 6 mission. Speak English for 15 minutes today. Take 5 simple sentences and expand each one. Record yourself answering the 5 speaking topics. And whenever you learn a new vocabulary word, create one personal sentence with it. Don't try to sound complicated. Try to sound natural. Your goal isn't to impress people with difficult vocabulary. Your goal is to communicate your thoughts clearly. Remember, short sentences are the foundation. Details make your English stronger. And practice makes those sentences natural. This is day 6 of the 21-day English speaking challenge. Complete today's challenge, keep practicing, and come back for day 7. One day at a time. One sentence at a time. And one conversation at a time.